It looks like a leg of goat. What is this? It's a scene. Hasanan. That's wonderful. Alif, dal, zal, ra, za, wow, and hamza. All of them will be never mixed and added to the next one. Let's have some example of shapes of Arabic alphabet. How many shapes does alif have? Tell me. Two shapes. When we want to write alif with lam, okay, keep that in your mind like this. We will make lam half this bar like this. Or then we will write from here jim like this, or we can give it a dot on top here, ba, kha, or we can make it free from any dot. Like what? Let me write here. If we want to write ba, obviously we will make it half. We are going to mix this one to the alif. Let me write here like this, and we will write alif like here, and we will curve it a bit to the right like that. Now I'm going to give you access to remote my PC. Please write there lam alif and ba alif, and right there ba alif. Mumtaz, mumtaz, khalas, labas. Is that clear? All of these are bas. This is ba, hadihi ba, hadihi ba, hadihi ba, hadihi ba. How did I write ba here? Like this. Half ba. You have. So I will ask you in dak. Do you have? Hal indak. I don't have any question. How will you say that? Ma
Indi.
shabash.
Ma.
Indi
Sual.
khalas. Ma indi su'al. Do you need some help?
No.
Hasanan. Ya has two dots down. Wadih?
Wadi.
Naam. Ya has two dots, and what is this?
Ta.
Ta. Mumtaz. And now what is this?
Noon.
Noon. Mumtaz. And now what is this?
Ba.
If we give it three dots, what can it be now?
Ta.
Sa. Mumtaz. Wadih?
Ta.
Naam.
Ta. You told me the last one of ta.
Yes, exactly. That's what I was talking about. It will be never mixed to the next one, nor to the previous one. Is that clear?
Wadi.
But if we want to write round ta, adding to the next previous one, it will be written like this, curving right here. So we will write it like this with ba, half ba, and like this one, ba and ta. Is that clear?
يرجى الاشتراك